everyone, welcome back. It's been a while, but now I'm here. Okay, so today in this video we're going to be making coins. Now we're just gonna use a simple cylinder and extrude the sides. Now the middle part, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do some modified cubes. But if you do know how to do SVG, which I did cover a video about it, you can go watch it, or you can go find other tutorials and you can use that instead for the middle. But as I said, for this video we're going to be using just the cube. So yeah, let's begin. Alright, let's begin. Just open a new file, and my buttons that I'm pressing you can see right down here. So yeah, let's begin. So first let's delete our default cube. Shift A, add a cylinder, and stop. You don't want to click anything, you don't want to select anything after this, but you want to move your cursor down here to add cylinder right here and increase the vertices right here. You can zoom in, zoom out, but don't click, just don't. Okay, if you click, this is gonna just disappear and you need to restart the whole process. So this will be how much detail you want for the side, like for the bars. I don't think this coin has it. Basically some coins has this ridges on the edge, so we're basically gonna do that. I think about 100 is good. And now you can tap into edit mode, scale it down, and there we go. So now select the top face and the bottom face, inset, and then extrude, press E, cancel, then scale it on this edge like this. This should be good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna select this edge. Oh wait, let's select this whole face in a let's select this whole face in a loop. Let's select this whole face in a loop and then press Ctrl B to bevel it. So now we're gonna bevel this whole thing. So now we can select one face. Now we're basically just gonna select this and extrude them out. So let's select this and then select the next one. Keep going like this, but now if you have a numpad, you can do something like this. So you press Control, hold Control, and then hold Shift. So Control, left Control and left Shift, and then on the numpad press plus. If you don't have a numpad, and press the plus on the next to backspace, it won't work. So make sure it's the numpad. Or if you have emulate numpad turned on in the preferences, then you can also do that if you don't have a numpad. Okay, so just press plus, and there we go. You can hold it until it comes over here and finishes a loop like this, and then you can extrude it and right click and then scale it, Shift Z. Make sure it's Shift Z, or else the ridges will be getting bigger. Okay, so now you can press Control B, and then have the ridges bevel a little bit. You can also select this in a loop, also down here. Hold Alt and then press Control B as well. And there we go. So now, how do we make this middle part? Now some advanced cool modelers, I don't know, maybe me, I personally, if I'm free, I would just use a knife tool and cut it out. But this is supposed to be simple. So what we're gonna do instead is add a cube, scale it down, scale it like this, and then now you can model the cube. So let's select the top face and the bottom face. Maybe scale it down a little bit. Okay, inset, extrude, scale Z until it disappears. Let's inset it again, and then scale Z. There we go. So we'll have something looking like what we had at the beginning of the video. Let's slash into it to see what's happening. So maybe let's scale this down. Yeah, that's looking much better. Okay, so now select this middle one and the coin. Make sure you select the coin afterwards and Control J. And there we go, you got it. So now let's go to render preview. Add a material right here. Material preview. Wait, not preview. Material properties, and then right here. And you can make it like yellowish color and turn up the metallic. And bam, you got yourself a coin. Then you can move it up a little bit. Maybe add a plane. Now in the video thumbnail or at the beginning of the video, you see the coins stacking. So usually I would just end the video here, but one tip, like if you want to stack coins and stuff, you can, let's duplicate this, okay. You can add a modifier right here. So select this, modifier, add a array modifier right here. So now what happens is it basically just arrays the whole thing, like it duplicates in a line like this. Now we want it to be upwards, so you can change the factor from x, turn it to 0, and turn the z to 1. So now you got a coin stack thing, coin stacking. Okay, so now you can duplicate it, have it to be some different heights. It's all up to you, but anyways, this should be the end of this video. Okay, this should be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it was a little bit short and stuff. If you want me to get into any details, please leave a comment. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and maybe subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.